Such increases are not, however, limited to the director level. Some might have forgotten, or for political purposes would like the public to believe, that the administration, this administration, is the only area that has seen salary increases. Oh, it has occurred on several different levels, to not only to attract and to retain the talent we have, but also to help continue to turn this city around. Examine the salary increases in the city's police department. Before 2005, we had almost 100 vacancies in its ranks because officers' starting salaries were lower, and they were higher in the counties, and the leadership was lacking. We would train them for 4 to 5 years, and the counties would take them. And many officers who went through the Richmond Police Academy would later leave for greener pastures in the surrounding counties. It was not a coincidence that the salary discrepancy and the lack of manpower and police presence coincided with a high crime rate in Richmond for many years. How many of you want us to lay off some police officers today and cut their salaries today and return to where we were before? In 2005, Chief Rodney Monroe came to Richmond and he reorganized the department. In 2007, we increased current and beginning officer salaries by 10%. And what have been the results? And see, this is what I believe in this. Pay for what you get, but certainly be able to, when you don't get it, you don't have to tolerate it. But if you've got the results to show where the expenditures are going, tell me where you would criticize what these people, our taxpayers, are not getting. Lowest crime rate in 26 years. All of you brag about it, I do too. It's your job, it's my job. We didn't do it, not one of us. We hire people to do it. We bring them in to do it. We lean upon their expertise. We follow their judgment, and then we take the praise for it. Oh, we're doing it. You are, and I are not doing it. They are doing it. Got the best police chief in the country. He can get a job tomorrow. I don't need to tell you that. Many of you know it. We have not a single officer vacancy. None. Every position is filled. Many county officers routinely now apply for Richmond positions, while county forces are facing understaffing issues. And so acquiring and retaining talent are critically important investments for this city's future. Oh, it's very decent indeed, Elmer. I find absolutely nothing indecent about it. To the contrary, I find it prudent. I find it wise. And I find it in the best interest of the taxpayers. Not long ago, not too long ago, we either had too little talent in government or we let it get away too easily. In either case, the city was the loser. Increasing salaries to a competitive level has worked for the police department and is working at the director levels. One other comparison, if I may. City Council. City Council itself has also recognized that making city positions more competitive is important in attracting talent to serve our residents. Just last month, our city auditor pled and pleaded for more staff, at higher paying salaries, because he said he couldn't do what? Attract the people to come here to Richmond to work. And guess what did the council do? Voted 8-0 and increased those salary levels, because you know, as I know, it takes competitive salaries if you're going to keep good people around. So we're no different, and the need for top talent is critical if Richmond is going to shake the ways of the past. It's a very convenient punching bag to scoff and criticize these increases. But we have a dedicated team of people passionate about their jobs and passionate about the city of Richmond. And that kind of passion has long been lacking within the walls of City Hall and city government. Usually we hear, well, that's Richmond. Well, this is Richmond. Well, this is what goes on there. It's a good problem to have, but it's still not too late for the old ways and lethargy to reappear. And I can tell you it's not too late for the talent we have to locate for greener pastures. But I'll do whatever it takes to keep this team of gifted, experienced, and exceptional employees focused on changing the future of this city for the better.